GRUHA Jyothi Yojane, How to Apply Introduction. Discover how to apply for the GRUHA Jyothi Yojane government program, providing financial support for building or improving homes. Requirements to apply: you must be a citizen with proof of nationality and a stable income. A good credit record and no delays in repaying previous loans are required. Steps: Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect accurate and up-to-date documents, as mentioned in the requirements section. Step 2. Visit the official website. Go to the GRUHA Jyothi Yojane program website and find the application link. Step 3. Fill out the online form. Enter all information correctly and accurately in the application form. Upload the required documents. Step 4. Submit the form and wait for approval. Review the information and attach documents before submitting. Click Submit and receive a confirmation message via email. The application will be reviewed, and if approved, you'll be informed of the next steps. Conclusion: apply early, read the terms and conditions, and commit to them. Once approved, you can start building your dream home or improving your current one. Remember to adhere to the loan repayment schedule and use the granted amount responsibly. GRUHA Jyothi Yojane, How to Apply Introduction. Discover how to apply.